In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix Spotify login error. So some of the people are encountering a login error when they try to reconnect to their StatsFM, and others are encountering a login error when they try to log in to their Spotify account. So in order to fix this issue, I will guide you through all the necessary steps. So if you're using a Spotify app, maybe on your browser, maybe on your PC or on your smartphone, then you can just delete it and then reinstall it back. So you can just delete the app and then reinstall it back. If you're still encountering the same issue, and then you try to clear your browser cache if you're using a browser, and if you're using an app, try to clear the Spotify app cache. So you can just go to your settings and then clear your go to settings, select Spotify, and then clear Spotify cache. If you're using a browser, just go to your settings, since I'm using Microsoft Edge, and then just search for cache. So you search for cache and you will clear browser cache. You can also choose to clear data, but not recommended. Just clear your browser cache, and after that you can just open the Spotify app to see if it plays. If you're still getting the same login error message, you can also go to the website, which is called Down Detector, downdetector.com. So you can just search it on Google. Down Detector, basically this website will help you check if Spotify servers are down. If Spotify servers are down, then you can't actually stream content through Spotify since their servers are down. So if their servers are down, then you can just wait a couple of hours or maybe minutes, and their service will be restored. So if their service are down and you've checked it through Down Detector, then this is a global issue and everyone is facing that problem. And you can just check on the social media to check if they have announced this such problem, and you can just wait. So those are the fixes. So you can just try to delete the app, or maybe try to clear the app cache and try to reinstall it back again, or try to check if Spotify servers are down. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.